seafood, especially prawns. It's so exciting when you pull the tail and put it in your mouth, and it's delicious too.
Today we are going to see 2 prawn recipes that's super delicious and super easy to make. Prawn Tawa roast and prawn chili roast.
First up, let's make prawn tawa roast. To make prawn tawa roast, you'll need 8 to 10 prawns, some salt to taste, a teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1/2 teaspoon of tamarind paste, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and oil as needed.
Let's start making prawn tawa roast. To the prawns, I'm going to add some salt, some turmeric, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon of tamarind paste.
Then I'm going to add in some cumin powder, and then I'm going to add in some chili powder. We're also going to add some rice flour into it.
And finally a teaspoon of oil. Give it a good mix and marinate it for 30 minutes in a refrigerator. The oil has been heated. Let's put the prawns.
It's so interesting to watch it cook, and it's more exciting to eat it.
This doesn't take more than 6 minutes to cook. Once cooked, you can turn to the other side. Time to flip it over. Wow, look at it. How beautifully it's been roasted.
I can't wait to have these.
The tawa roast is beautifully cooked. Let's transfer it to a plate.
This tastes great while even eating it plain, and it tastes even better while having it with rasam and rice. Let's start making prawn chili roast. For this you'll need
Prawns 12 to 15, and to marinate you'll need a tablespoon of lemon juice,
some salt to taste, a teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric.
To grind, you'll need 5 shallots, a green chili, 2 cloves of garlic and 2 clove size of ginger. Also you'll need 1/2 onion chopped, 1/2 tomato chopped, curry leaves and a teaspoon of soy sauce.
First let's marinate the prawns. For this I'm going to add the prawns into a bowl. I'm going to add in some salt, some chili powder, and some turmeric powder. Then add in some lemon juice.
Let's mix it very well. Let the prawn marinate for 10 minutes. Let's grind the masala. Add 5 shallots, a green chili and a clove of garlic and blend it into a very fine paste.
Let's start making the prawn chili roast. I've heated my pan with some oil. I'm going to add in the prawns.
It's been 2 minutes now. Let's flip over the prawns. It just takes 5 minutes to get cooked. This recipe I've learned from a friend from Kerala, and it's just amazing.
I think it's been cooked now, so let's transfer it into a plate. Look at the beautiful color of the shrimp. It looks so delicious. This also tastes good with rice and rasam.
To the same oil, I'm going to add some chopped onion and the ground masala paste. Let this masala saute for 2 minutes until nice and golden.
To this I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes and some curry leaves.
Now the tomatoes been mushy, add a teaspoon of soy sauce. This adds a nice flavor and especially makes the prawn chili roast very yummy. You can add some pepper too for spice.
Yeah, the name says prawn chili roast.
Yeah, it's a nice spicy dish. You have nice chili powder, green chili and pepper. Now transfer this cooked prawns to the sauce and coat it very well.
Prawn chili roast is ready and looks delicious.
But what's Prawn Tawa roast? Guess what?
It's in my tummy. It was super delicious, guys. Yeah, and who's excited to try this one? Me. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.